Hello, TRUST Tourniquet is provided with the pouch which can be carried on your war belt or other equipment on your chest. MOLLE system included, so probably all the same as the standard ones on the market with this type, but we are developing the completely new way how to storage and use your tourniquet, probably our tourniquet, the TRUST Tourniquet. Just open, quick release, remove. It's already prepared for your one-handed application. In that case, pull, close, open the handle, extra additional around hook and loop, no initial tightening necessary as for windlass type tourniquets, and then rocking handle. Each click, occlusion happening, back, each click, occlusion happening, and just additional one, probably pull it back. Now it's safe. Here is a time plate. You can just use your marker or scratch with any object and you are good. If bleeding resumes in 20-25 minutes, just pull the handle back and make additional one and pull it back. In that case, you don't need the second tourniquet to be applied because the standard ones, the windlass tourniquets design are limited. If you pushed the limits, you don't have opportunity to attach the extra pressure. In our case, you are able to provide this type of necessary pressure additionally. You don't need the second one, and just pull around and it's completely secured. The slow release loop is necessary just to check your bleeding status. Maybe you don't have any arterial bleeding at all. In that case, we just made a little open and slow release. If we see that still pulsating bleeding is here, okay guys, put it back and resume. If not, you maybe just leave the tensioning a little less in that case and save it like this, so with less damage on your tissues. But still in the case if you have real arterial bleeding, and how to do the slow release by yourself alone. You pull the release loop, place your thumb here, and right now you have the controlled, slowly released tension on the strap, and you can check the pulsating. If it's not here, okay, leave it. Put it back. For the full removal of the tourniquet, you can use it like this. TRUST Tourniquet is designed to be applied on different limb diameters, starting from 4 cm to 30 cm. If you need to apply it from the side, just open it like this and apply on the limb, like your leg or hand. The main advantage is fully functional band width, 1.5 inch pressure applied all around. Triple protection, as I mentioned before. When the handle is inside the groove, it's safe for transportation, so nothing will happen. Nothing will open it. And specially designed to be used on winter jackets on your equipment, because the active length of the pressure is 18 centimeters, as you can see. And each click is auto-locking, so no unwinding and protection. During the drills, design allows you to use it multiple times without damaging your strap. In that case, you just pull it here, pull it back, and it's now already prepared for another use. TRUST Tourniquet is built from high-grade engineering plastic, aviation-grade aluminum handle, and high-grade stainless steel. So design and materials chosen provides the possibility to withstand the temperature range between -50 and +70 degrees and without losing any features. The TRUST Tourniquet strap is built from 2 different materials. Locking system is mixed hook and loop, and the webbing is the polyester, which withstands harsh weather environments, UV resistant, and doesn't absorb any water. How to use the TRUST Tourniquet for pediatrics? just change it like this. And in that case, you provide the 4 cm diameter on the limbs.